Good morning, everyone. Today is March 16, 2026, and we have three activities scheduled for today. The first is the pre-bill conference for contract ID 26JB0023. The second is the opening of bids for goods for PR number 26-03-005 and 26-03-006. And the last is a scheduled pre-procurement conference for ID number 26JB0029 and 26JB0030. But before we start, may I request everyone to please rise for the prayer.
All these pieces broken and scattered, in mercy gathered, mended and whole, empty-handed but not forsaken. I've been set free, I've been set free. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Ooh, I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Oh, I can see you now. Oh, I can see the love in your eyes, laying yourself down, raising up the broken to life. You take our failure, you take our weakness, you set your treasure in jars of clay. So take this heart, Lord, I'll be your vessel, the world to see your life in me. Oh, amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Oh, I once was lost, but now I am found. Was blind, but now I see. Oh, I can see it now. Oh, I can see the love in your eyes, laying yourself down, raising up the broken to life.
Please be seated. Now let's proceed with the checking of attendance by our procurement engineer.
Good morning. Our attendance for today's undertaking, Adong Rebak, Rose Ligara, Tubac-New, Sarina Balatiko, only. JC Patago, Erwin Salas. PWH, Pablito Piamonte, Maria Jeline Zamora, Johnny Caboverde, Madeline Tutao, Mark Glenn Humawan, and Alan Bastasa. Police Secretariat, headed by Bdry, Maria Jeline Pahinte, Maris Merapan, Jonah Dongo, Lima Marolin, and Dilindo Lakarimpil. We have also here our audit team leader, Mr. Jonathan Manuel, sir. Welcome. And our presenters, Engineer Ismail Bayron and Engineer Rica Bilin of the Planning and Design section. And our observers, guests, Benirando Maoy, the punong barangay of Baho, S.Osmeña, Zamboanga. Leo Macali, the staff of Reconstruction and Development Corporation, and Beverly Tan, the office staff of EIU Builders. All Madam Chair.
We thank you. Since we have a forum, let's now proceed with the checking of the posting, the PINCHEPs, the website, and the course, please.
Pre-bidding scheduled for today for contract ID 26JB0023. Asset Preservation Program, Rehabilitation / Reconstruction of roads with slip, slope collapse and landslide. Primary road, Dipolog-Punta, Dansullan, S.Osmeña, Zamboanga del Norte1st last shore boundary road. Kilometer 1877 plus 700 to kilometer 1877 plus 960. Contract duration of 276 calendar days and an ABC of 19,007,100. This has been published. The PLGIPs, the PWH website, and the conspicuous place of the procuring entity. The pre-bidding schedule is today, March 16, 2026, and the opening of bids will be on March 30, 2026.
Thank you. Let's now proceed with the presentation on the contract plans, drawings, specifications, the bill of quantities by Engineer Byron of the Planning and Design section.
Good morning, everyone. For the presentation of this data engineering design plan for contract ID 26GB0023 for the project title Asset Preservation Program, Rehabilitation, Reconstruction of roads with slips, slope collapse and landslide, primary roads, Dipolog-Punta, Dansullan, S.Osmeña, Zamboanga del Norte1st Boundary Road. With a station of 1877 plus 700 to 1877 plus 960. So the application is within Perla Polanco, Zamboanga del Norte, with a length of 260 meters. So atong this project is slope protection, retaining wall. So kani siya ang map sa atong project kaning green lang. So pictures aside, so kani siya katong picture sa beginning of the project. So, buhin ta sa S.Osmeña sa right side ng atong project. So, kung dili tumbutangan na siya o retaining wall. So, So, ang atuang retaining wall, duha siya kaklase, natay 3 meters na retaining wall o 5 meter na retaining wall. So, kanina cross-section, typical cross-section sa 3 meter na retaining wall. So, manis na itong existing carriageway. So, 2 lanes lang siya dito, then wala pa siya widening. So, ang atuang gihimuan na, libre na siyang widening and shoulder blade. Then, natay structural concrete line din sikan sa beginning sa itong project, and mo raise lang siya 32 meters. Ang ato ang line ditch, yung structural concrete line ditch. Sa structural concrete line ditch, yung atong reinforcing steel is grade 40 na siya. Ato ang concrete is structural concrete plus A na 20.63 Pascal. Then ahiya pa rin ato ang retaining wall. Then muna yung ato ang structure excavation, di kan diri sa pataas, muna ito yung structure excavation. Kanin diri sa iyang cut slope na niya is 102 ang ato ang ginagamit. Then, sa embankment niya, ang ato ang gigamit pang embank is katong sa road structure excavation o katong common. So, mara pa itong gigamit pang embank diri sa layo. So, sa 5 meter height na retaining wall, so muna siya ang ato ang typical cross-section. So, ang atong reinforcing steel sa grid sa 3 meters retaining wall at 5 meters retaining wall is grade 60 ang ato ang reinforcing steel. So, ano siya detalye sa ato ang 3 meter na retaining wall. So, ang ginagamit na reinforcing steel is 16 mm, which is grade 60 siya. So, na siya 30, grade 66 mm. Then, sa ato ang 5 meter retaining wall, ang iyang reinforcing steel is 25 mm. Ganan. 25 mm ang iyang diameter. Then, sa ato ang retaining wall, so nag-provide po tao deep hole every at 2 meters center staggered, 50 mm, mga PVC white deep holes. Then, naatay filter cloth and granite gravel sa liyo. For the item of works, sa Part 8, the provision of field office for the engineer and tal basis. So, ang temporary field office na siya, 24 ng software van or equivalent furnish and maintenance will provided for the engineer. Then, operation and maintenance, so field office for the engineer. Then, operation and maintenance na siya, including niya ang electric and water bill. And provision of 4x4 pickup service vehicle for the engineer and bill rental basis. Then, operation and maintenance of 4x4 pickup type service vehicle for the engineer. Then, provision of progress photographs. Every month, mag-provide of pictures. Consistent niya ang digital camera na rental o printing sa digital photographs and pag-compile sa photo album. Then, sa Part B, we have project billboard signboard. So, as per new DO na talatong per DO editor series of 2025 revised guidelines in the installation of project billboards. Ito ni siya na logo sa Bagong Pilipinas. So, kani siya for H tungkol kay including niya ang billboard po sa COA. Then, occupational safety and health program and traffic management. So, based on the DO 13 series of 2018 revised guidelines in the preparation of process estimates in the traffic management and safety health requirements. Then mobilization and mobilization. And sa Part C, we have individual removal of trees. So, naiduha ka maigo dito nga kahoy. Then surplus common excavation, katong intended na siya sa ato ang cut slope sa view sa ato ang retaining wall. Then structure excavation commercial sa ato ang retaining wall siya. Then embankment from road structure excavation also. Then reinforcing steel grade 60 sa atong drainage protection structures. So, intended lang niya siya sa concrete line ditch. Then sa reinforcing steel grade 60, ano siya sa ato ang retaining wall. Then structural concrete 20.68 megapascal plus 828 days for great retaining wall. So, sa traffic management layout, so kanilang ato ang ginagamit. Ang kanilang mga advanced warning signs na ito ay install sa site during construction, pwede sa katong calendar days construction. So, ato ang kuha ay bollard, ang standard is kato ng plastic. For the minimum equipment requirement sa ato ang project, so, one low bed trailer, one backhoe, one bulldozer, one belter roller, one payloader, then one motorized road grader, one dump trucks, 12 cubic yard, then one water truck pump, one cargo truck, 9 to 10 metric tons, one bar cutter, single phase na 25 mm maximum rebar, then bar bender, 3 phase na 25 mm maximum rebar, then one bagger mixer, concrete vibrator, chainsaw, and barricade blaster lights. For the minimum technical personnel required, so we have one project engineer, one resident civil engineer, one materials engineer, one geometric engineer, one construction foreman, trained first aider, and one construction safety officer. So that's all now for this project.
Okay, thank you, Engineer Byron. Any comment, questions from the end user, sir? So, hearing none. Thank you, Engineer Byron. Reminders lang for the contractors. Documents to be submitted by the bidders. First is the technical component of the bid, and the second is the financial component, so acknowledge at envelope. So, ang sa technical component of the bid, A is the field trip certificate. If not enrolled in the CWR, pick up license and registration, statement of all ongoing government and private contracts. So, ako giklaro, no, i-include siya sa support ng list sa projects na private or sa government. Then, if already enrolled in CWR, eligibility documents to be updated. Updated na lang siya kung na-enrolled na sa CWR. Then for financial component, the bid form, bid prices and the bill of quantities, and detailed estimates and the cash flow. So all these documents can be found na sa ating back office or sa website. So thank you. Wala may questions? So we will now end our pre-bid conference on this project. Thank you, Pa. So, next na po na activity is the opening of bids for goods. So, let's now proceed with the checking of posting in the Linkages website and conspicuous place by our Procurement Engineer, Engineer Elias.
Good morning. Current procurement has been posted on the field trip, DPWH website, and conspicuous place of the procuring entity. We scheduled today's opening. PR number 26-03-005, supply and delivery of 323.43 cubic meter aggregate sub-base course with 15% shrinkage factor for use in the repair, maintenance of national roads and bridges, resurfacing of unpaved road, shoulder along Dipolog-Punta, Dansullan, S.Osmeña Road, Divinta-Perla section, kilometer 1873 plus 500 to kilometer 1874 plus 250, left side. PR amount, DBC, is 344,352.69. Amount bid is heard for EIU builders and enterprises. 341,218.65 in figure 341,218.65. Only one bidder. Amount balance rate for Dix Marketing. Dix Marketing is 339,924.93. In figure 339,924.93. Amount balance rate for ITMC. 342,835 and 80 centavos. In figure 342,835.80. For PR number 26-03-006, supply and delivery of 591.66 cubic meter aggregate sub-base course with 15% shrinkage factor for use in the repair maintenance of slope protection structure along Pinyan Mocha Road, kilometer 1834 plus 371 to kilometer 1834 plus 406 left side. PR amount, the ABC is 658,186 pesos and 25 centavos. Amount bid as read for EIU Builders and Enterprises, 656,742 pesos and 60 centavos. In figures 656,742.60. Amount bid as read for Dix Marketing, 653,784 pesos and 30 centavos. In figure 653,784.30. Amount bid as read for ITNC, 655,559 pesos and 28 centavos. In figure 655,559.28. Madam Chair.
Thank you. As a recap, for PR number 26-03-005, with a PR amount of 344,352.69, posted in the PhilJEP's website and conspicuous place on March 11, 2026, and scheduled opening of bids today, March 16, 2026. The lowest bid as read is 339,924.93 by Dix Marketing. For PR number 26-03-006, with a PR amount of 658,186.25, posted in the PhilJEP's website and conspicuous place on March 11, 2026, and opening of bids today, March 16, 2026. The lowest bid as read is 653,784.30 centavos by Dix Marketing. Thank you for coming. Sir Auditor, thank you. Let's now proceed with our third activity, the Procurement Conference for Contract ID 26JB0029 and 26JB0030. Let's proceed with the Procurement Conference for the two projects. The presenter for today is Engineer Kabinin for the two projects. As to the review on the basic contractual data, may we hear from the procurement engineer, duration, ABC.
Contract ID 26JB0029, Bridge Program Widening of Permanent Bridges, Dilawa Parallel Bridge, along Dipolog-Punta, Dansullan, S.Osmeña, Zambo del Norte1st /South Boundary Road, kilometer 1868 plus 760 to kilometer 1869 plus 40. Proposed duration of 277 calendar days and an ABC of 38,080,840 pesos. For contract ID 26JB0030, construction, improvement of access roads leading to trades, industries, and economic zones, roads leveraging linkages for industry and trade infrastructure program, ROLIT. Tubac-New Siquijor-Bergado Barangay Road connecting Provincial Road and El Paraiso in support of the abaca and coconut industries, Mutya, Zambo del Norte. Station 1 plus 448 to Station 1 plus 538.84. Contract duration of 277 calendar days and an ABC of 36,915,620 pesos.
The next is the determination of the readiness of proposed contract procurement and presentation on the detailed engineering by Engineer Bdry.
Good morning, everyone. First project is bridge program, widening of permanent bridges, Dilawa parallel bridge along Dipolog-Punta, Dansullan, S.Osmeña, Zamboanga del Norte, Bdry Road. So we have stationing 1868 plus 760 up to 1869 plus 040. Showing here from Google Map, the beginning of our project, then the end of our project. So, ang atong parallel bridge going to Osmeña is right side, downstream siya. So the bridge is 30.84 linear meters in length, and the condition of bridge is speed footing using a press concrete deep grader. We have here pictures showing the beginning of the project, then the end of the project. So the bridge limit beginning of project, beginning of approach A. So approach is included in this project. 1868 plus 760, then end of approach A, 1868 plus 91.113 with a length of 131.113 linear meters. Then beginning of bridge, back wall A, 1868 plus 891.113, then end of bridge, back wall B, 1868 plus 921.953 with a length of 30.84 linear meters. Then followed by approach B, 1868 plus 921.953 up to the end of the project, 1869 plus 040. With a length of 118.047. The total project net length is 280 linear meters. Layout plan, ano siya? So this is the existing Dilawa bridge, the steel bridge. Our project is here at downstream. Then, ang approaches niya, baris iyang carriageway. From here, baris siya rin. Full width siya diri, 6.7. Including siya ang nakahats na portion. Same sa approach B. Then with slope protections. So the showing here, general plan sa bridge. Ang width niya is, total width is 9.54 and total length is 30.84. Then ang iyang elevation, the elevation is bridge is the same as the elevation of the existing Dilawa bridge. We will proceed to summary of quantities. Part A, facilities for the engineers. First, provision of field office, operation and maintenance of the field office. Then, provision of pick-up service vehicle, operation and maintenance of pick-up service vehicle. Then, we have A.1.3, to provision of survey instrument for the assistance to the engineer. RTP. Survey instrument. Then, followed by provision of progress photographs. Then, provision of communication facility, equipment for the engineer. Mobile phones. Then, part B, other general requirements, permit and clearances, cutting permit sa affected trees. Then, project billboard, signboard, safety and health program, traffic management, then mobilization and demobilization. Part C, earthwork. First item, 103A1, individual removal of trees. We have 16 number of trees, affected trees. Then 1011, removal of structures and construction. Unit is lump sum. Removal of pedestal, sa pedestal is a solar light, then post and part of existing slope protection. Then 1016, removal of structures and construction concrete, cubic meters. Removal of existing concrete piles. If you have noticed na yung concrete piles dito sa downstream naka-lay ang tango nato. Then 103 to B3, bridge structure excavation of PROC below ordinary water level. 990.96 cubic meters. Then followed by 103, 5B, shoring, cribbing, and related works. This item is intended for upper damming and railway at abutment A and B. Then embankment from roadway, embankment from barrow, sub-grade preparation. Sa part D, item 200, aggregate sub-lease course. 544.41 cubic meters, intended for roadway and shoulder. Then surface courses, part E, 311-1A, Portland cement concrete pavement and reinforced, 0.15 meter thick. Then Portland cement concrete pavement and reinforced, 0.28 meters thick. So part F, bridge construction. First item 406, structural steel sheet piles furnish. 657 meters. 1,284. Intended for slope protection foundation at abutment A and B. And support of embankment at back of back wall A and B. Length is 6 meters each. Then the structural steel sheet piles driven. Same quantity siya sa furnish. Same for yung usage. Then followed by 401, concrete railing standard, 60 meters. Both sides na siya. Then item 404, reinforcing steel grade 40, 404, reinforcing steel grade 60. So kaning grade 60, intended ni siya sa bridge structure. Then structural concrete 20.68 megapascal para sa slope protection. Then line ditch. Then followed by 4051 B3 structural concrete 27.58 megapascal for bridge structures. Then item 4061F breast structural concrete members type 4B I girder 4. Then Lane concrete intended for abutment A and B footing 100 mm. Elastomeric bearing pads, then expansion joint. Part G, drainage and slope protection. We have grouted recap class A, unlaid rock embankment, concrete slope protection. Concrete slope protection used for slope protection at abutment A and B. Then gabions 1 by 1 by 2 metallic coated. The last part is a part H, miscellaneous structures. We have item 6033A1, metal guardrail, metal beam. Then followed by metal beam in piece. Item 611, seedlings, saplings for other programs initiatives. Then 6121, reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings white, and also the pavement markings yellow. The last item is 6249 D2, single arm lead roadway lightning 10 meters full, 80 watts to 125 watts. That's all, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Kapag na siya sanay mo ka na, so bawat mo siya napil at ang videos na project.
Na ay naapil mamotong na affected nga pedestal atong tantangon silian na itong bago.
Okay, sige. Any other questions?
Spray coating sa
So, sige, wala na. Makusita sa project number 2, 26 JD030.
Vision lang. Next project, construction, improvement of access road, leading to trade, industries, and economic zone. Road, leveraging linkages for industries and trade infrastructure program. Role 8, Tubac-New, Siquijor-Bergado, Barangay Road. Connecting Provincial Road and Paraiso in support of Abaca and Coconut Industries, Mutya, Zamboanga del Norte. So we have an station of beginning sa project is 1 plus 448 up to station 1 plus 538.84. So if you have noticed, our stationing is for the bridge only. Showing pictures, aerial view, kani ato ang existing spillway. Padulong ta sa Barangay Bergado proper. So the location of our proposed Bergado bridge is downstream. So going tag Bergado, Barangay Bergado is left side siya. Kani atong location. Kani nga ay test file nga naka-1. Dili maka-align na ito ang location sa ito ang bridge. So we have beginning of project, which is also the beginning of bridge, back of backwall A 1 plus 448, then N 1 plus 534. So total length niya is 90.84 linear meters. Bridge only ang atong trabaho on. We'll proceed to, by the way, the bridge is 90.84 linear meters length. Then with speed footing and using business concrete big girder. Naakoy gi-prepare rin summary. We'll proceed to the summary. So, ang scope of work, bridge construction lang ni siya, pero bridge construction lang siya. Sa bridge construction, ang item 406, structural steel sheet piles furnace. Condition of abutment A and B is for protection and support of embankment only. Then item 406, furnish. So item 4041A, reinforcing steel grade 40, abutment A and abutment B, pair 1 and pair 2 only. Then sa reinforcing steel, abutment A and B, pair 1 and pair 2 only. Not included superstructure, which is the deck slab, diaphragm, and sidewalk, and also the approach slab. So wala kay superstructure, wala kay deck slab. Then item 4051A3, structural concrete 20.68 megapascal for abutment A and B for protection pile cap only. Then sa item 405, structural concrete 27.58 megapascal class A 28 base for abutment A and B, pair 1 and pair 2 only. So this abutment A and B, including niya sa footing, up to capping, backwall. Sa pair, up to capping siya. Not included superstructure, deck slab, diaphragm, and sidewalk. Proceed ta sa item 4061F, which is the pre-stressed structural concrete members, type 4D girder, I girder. Span 1 and span 2 only. So sa span 3, wala tayo girder malance. Tama na siya sa span 2. Bali, 8 girders kani ato ang dali. 4 plus 4, 8 only. Then, item 4078, lin concrete for the abutment A and B for 1 and 2 footing. Then, the customary bearing pad. Then, we included item 414 for forms and formworks. Abutment A and B. Pair 1 and pair 2. That's all na.
Okay, thank you. So, partial construction and
Partial.
phase 1. Gali. So, ano pang camera in? Okay, thank you, Engineer Kabilin. Let's proceed with the completeness of the bidding documents. Back, Joy. Dito na yung bidding docs. Dito na finish. Complete na ang bidding docs. Pero, sa ato ang invitation to bid is specified with me mo since more than 30 million naman siya, so DO 110 series of 2024 applies. Department Order 110, subject implementation of ISO 9001-2015 certification requirement for large A, medium B, and medium A contractors in the procurement of infrastructure projects of the department. So, apply na itong makapit o bidding ani since 30 million up na siya, katulad yung with ISO certificate. Medium A, more than 30 million but less than 150 million. So, effectivity ani niya is January 1, 2026. Dipolog-Punta, SR, so, Paraiso, ang pagpigil dito sa Manila, ang pagpigil ng mga region or GS ang pagpigil. So, paano dito siya dated June 26, 2024, effective immediately naman, kaya nakapagbangon siya dito January 1, 2026. So, apply din siya sa kanyang projects, 30 million up to 150 million. So, let's proceed. Inclusion of contract in DPWH budget, or GAA, or SARO, or NAYOA. Kasi, SARO siya, SARO, for issuance of SARO. Then, what about our right of acquisition? Okay lang siya. At least ano na plano, then, ang condition na nili, na mag-award siya mas. Confirmation of criteria for eligibility check, preliminary examination of bids, evaluation of bids, post-qualification and award. Kanina makita niyo na dito sa ato ang post invitation to bid. Then, now let's proceed with the schedule, adoption of procurement schedule, the deadlines, times for invitation, issuance of bids, pre-bid conference, the opening of bids, eligibility check, bids evaluation, post-qualification, award, contract processing, and approval, and issuance of notice to proceed. Our Secretary of Health.
For this project, the posting of ITB will be on March 17, 2026. The publication will be on March 18, 2026. Posting of contract profile will be on March 18, 2026. Pre-bidding conference scheduled on March 25, 2026. And the opening will be on April 7, 2026. Post-qualification schedule will be on April 9 to 13, 2026, and the deliberation will be on April 14, 2026. And the back resolution for awards will be on April 15, 2026.
Okay, thank you. So, ito ang schedule. If ever there are changes, so ako lang na siyang i-inform through publications sa Spiritual Bulletin. So, okay lang pang tanong. Thank you for coming. Ay, bilhin ang bakot.